morning. Welcome to our YouTube channel English Hub by Lakshmi. How are you all? I hope all are doing great. And hi Bilal, how are you?
Yeah,
Today
I am fine.
person Bilal. Yeah, please could you please introduce about yourself, Bilal?
Yeah, thank you, Lakshmi, giving me this opportunity. That consequently, second time we are interaction with on this broadcasting. This is Bilal. I basically belong to capital of Bihar, Patna.
Yeah, good. I'm glad to Bilal, to be a part of in my YouTube channel. Yeah, and today's our topic is interesting topic and exciting topic. Like if you win the like a lottery 1 crore rupee money or one that like that, and what you will do by using that.
Wow, everyone want to get this chance to how
Definitely.
to get a lot of money. It's a huge money. If you are giving me without effort, everyone will do every time whatever want to be. It's just like a interesting and hypothetical question.
Exactly.
Everyone want to get this chance. If you will give me this massive amount and lot of amount, then it is the fabulous time for me. I can give a protection of myself and to my comprehensive, to my supporting, and to love my loved one. Whatever I have received this amount, it is the very good opportunity for this for me, because sometime when you get a lot of money, that time you will get ideas. There is no time to think about what will I do. There is already you had a plan, whatever you have, and what can you do, and what amount where will you invest. I am asking you, there is a possible to deposit a money in the bank account, or only will
Definitely. It's a possibility is there. You have to deposit in your money in your bank account.
Okay. There is a possibility there. If I will get a massive amount at a time, that time is the possibility to do everything. I will take a action, because money definitely immediately provide me a coherence plan, and I have already logical and a strategical power. Whatever I can do, whatever I have, because first of all, I will fulfill my desire, whatever I have created in my future, or my about my career, because it's my I am very passionate to improve my language, different language there. But I am doing this thing because my study is finished. I am not interested my study to go to academic qualification. I am doing to interested my another thing, another extra curriculum, means I will improve my different language, and more another thing. And I will open my institute, and Lingua Institute. I will provide you provide a platform to person, upcoming generation, who has a lot of anxious to do something, and open and first of all, I will give. And another thing, I would like to give a happiness to destitute family who are living a roadside, or living inside the bridge. They don't have a own house. So first of all, I will fulfill, because 1 crore is it not a very enough money to 100% I will finish the destituteness or provide you everything. But I am hopefully, and I can do everywhere. Uh, it's my desire to helpful to anyone. And I'm a very interested to in my my game, any kind of game, especially football and cricket. So that's I will created my new IPL team or ISL team, and I will provide you upcoming generation who are striving to become a good cricketer or good footballer. So that is the my lot of desire I have, but I can do fulfill after getting this chance, this opportunity.
Oh, great. Like still you have money, then what do you want to do?
Yes. I can do first. First of all, I already I have a giving this, and I will donate it to that family person who has a lot of eager to become a graduate or postgraduate, or become preparing the examination competition examination, that I will provide that kind of a person who have not a lot of money but have a lot of desire. So that I will open a new institute who provide a higher qualification, just a chartered accountant, IIT, IAS, IPS, and a state commission. That I will open a free classes. Yes, I will arrange a new teacher and qualified teacher who provide good knowledge and provide a good platform to upcoming generation who has a lot of thing to do everything. So this is the total depend upon your strategy. If I have a lot of strategy, that time I will utilize to my strategical plan there when I will get a chance. But nowadays also I am getting this chance. Already you have a saying, it is the hypothetical, but you are doing something is the pretending, but it doesn't matter you are it's a real or it's a pretending. It's depend on your intelligence, how you are thinking. It's if you are thinking about your positivity, because if you get a lot of money, that time you will get a ideas or positive mind working inside your intelligence. Because when you are striving to do something, that time you have a lot of critical problem. That time everyone in inside of mind, countless thinking generated every day in human body. And because there is a two foreman is working inside my intelligence, some encouragement or another defeat. When you are going to do something, defeat say, oh, how can I do, is it not possible, this is impossible. But encouragement, Mr. Encouragement, will provide you, you can do, because you have an opportunity. Whatever you are going to do, already a maximum number of a person have been done it. So that you can do it, you tried yourself or starting. And first of all, you think a positivity, and after that you will get an idea. So after getting this opportunity, I will provide every team. I will provide that person who are a very anxious, because in my countries, person have a lot of quality, but sometimes stuck on way due to economical problem, or who belong to a who are not a prosperous family. That's why they couldn't they couldn't provide facility to upcoming time. So I will give a chance to that kind of a person, and something amount I will give a protection for my family, whatever I have little, but not a huge, because I don't know, I don't want to expend my life just like a royal life. Is I will want to expend a general life. Is it a good? Because if you are expending a time with a person, with a fox, this is the good for you. Because whenever you are expending a time with your friend, you are getting a problem or ideas from there. This is the good for everyone. Or in a student life, or in a employment time, you also you have confronted about it. Because if you are living separate, that time you can't get ideas. So that every person, sometime what is the happening, person are disappointed, who don't have a idea to do something, who are living along, oh, how can I do? Because if you don't have an thing, because everywhere is not requirement of a lot of economic power. Maximum time is a requirement of your potential. If you are sure of your potential, number of a personality will definitely helpful you. You know very well is that during the lockdown, maximum person who have a lot of thing. One girl is also riding a cycle from whose girls belong to Bihar, and come with her father. Already his father is suffering disease. That she has done a lot of good kind of work. After that, a number of a personality come on front and help her. So is it, if you are a don't have a lot of money, please don't disappoint about yourself. Please help yourself, love yourself. If you love yourself, provide yourself everything whatever you want. Because education or games, it is the part of just like it is the future. It will create a future plan. If you don't have a plan, you can't expend a time to without unnecessary everywhere. So that is the good thing. I will help that kind of a person who are striving, who are doing, or who have a lot of desire. I will definitely fulfill it.
Yeah, great. It's like sounds good. Or like no, whatever
Mm.
you get, like no views about no when you got that like lottery of like 1 crore rupee money. It's a very like no huge like overjoyed about your plans. Yeah, maybe I hope like God like no give will to that 1 crore rupee money. By God
Definitely,
like 1 crore rupee money.
definitely.
It's very
Everywhere.
will helpful to the people like your views and your ideas. That's very very awesome. Yeah, thank you. Definitely, it's a very nice no thinking and like it will become like no by God grace your desires will come true. Whatever you want to do and you want to help to the poor people and you want to that like establish that like a coaching center or you want to establish like no any no play center, whatever it may be. Yeah,
Yes,
definitely
yes,
now by God grace you have to your desires will come true. Yeah,
yes,
thank
yes,
you. Thank
definitely.
you, no, like Bilal, and thank you so much to be a part of in my YouTube
Thank
channel. I'm glad to be a part of in my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, and I hope you love our conversation. Like no, please comment like no, when you will get like no this 1 crore rupee money, then what you will do? Please comment on the below section, comment section.
Okay.
Yeah, and please like, share, and like do subscribe, and please like give motivation like no to me, and no don't forget like no press the hit the bell button for more informative updates or amazing content.
Oh,
Yeah, thank
okay.
you for watching. Thank you,
Thank you.
Bilal, and have a great day to all, and have a
Thank you.
nice. Yeah, bye, Bilal. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.